The Vibe is more than a feeling. It's a laminated, smooth-sided travel trailer with a lot of floor plan options for both the camping couple and those who love to take out a lot of family and friends and need a bunkhouse. Allow me to introduce you to the Forest River Vibe by touting its features, both inside and out. Talk a bit about Vibe construction and what vehicles you'll need to tow one. All right, let's get into it. Once you enter via the MoreRide solid entry step, it's really just a wow moment. The Vibe living area is what I would best describe as smooth. Over your head, the ceiling height is a comfortable 80 inches, and at your feet, the slide outs are true flush floor and therefore blend right in with the plank style flooring. Many Vibes come with a 30-inch electric fireplace. More impressive though, is how easy the Vibe can cool down. It comes standard with an 18,000 BTU main AC plus a 13,500 BTU AC unit in the bedroom with an optional third AC, another 13.5K unit for those models that stretch out up to 40 feet. Now when it's time to sit and relax, you can do so with the Thomas Payne premium residential style furniture. Most floor plans come with a pair of theater seats, some with a sofa, while others will bless you with an L-shaped 5-person dinette plus a trifold sofa. And with that trifold sofa, something other model lines do not have, an ottoman. It's a great spot to kick your feet up and truly relax. For some extra seating in case you decide to have the fam or friends over, you'll get designer folding chairs in select models. Now, there are times when you won't want to hide the amazing European-style square windows, but adding a touch of home-style class to the Vibe's interior are the easy pull-down cloth blinds in the living area and bedroom. At night, you may want to opt for privacy while you're keeping yourself and your family and friends entertained watching some TV via the 40 or 50-inch smart TV in stereo with Bluetooth capability. Nice to have all that as standard equipment. Of course, there are USB ports everywhere, so those who don't want to watch Bachelorette or whatever can play Pokemon Go on their cell phones. When it's time for a meal, the Vibe's kitchen doesn't disappoint. You'll see it not only has a 3-burner flush cooktop with glass cover, but you'll get a residential style electric oven with microwave and air fryer. For meal prep, you'll have plenty of space in the solid surface countertop on most models, and the oversized residential style stainless steel farmhouse sink with high-rise spring spout faucet found on all models certainly does the trick for prep as well as cleanup. For your small appliance convenience, or if you're like me, your minor caffeine addiction, a lot of models do come with a pop-up power station that's just perfect for a coffee maker. As far as cold storage, you'll get a 10.7 cubic foot 12-volt fridge, while your dry goods get a full-length pantry or a hidden pantry behind a hinged entertainment center. When it comes to the bedroom, you'll find a custom king bed so you can sprawl out after your long day. And if you're not ready to shut your eyelids, every Vibe has individual reading lights as well as power for your tablet, iPhone, or CPAP machine. Oh, there's also TV prep in the bedroom too. For storage, every Vibe has shirt closets and under-bed storage. Select models will come with a full-length closet which will include washer-dryer prep, of which personally I'm a pretty big fan. Speaking of fans, it's Vibe bathroom time. You'll get a fan in the bathroom as you'd expect, and you'll need it for those long steamy showers. Because the Vibe comes with a 55,000 BTU on-demand tankless water heater, so when you're hooked up to city water, you can shower as long as you would like. The shower is residential in scope and comes with a maintenance-free shower door with antimicrobial silver ions in the screen. The shower has a surround with shelving as well as a nice skylight, and the Vibe has a mirrored medicine cabinet for storage of some of the smaller items. Now, outside, you'll find the wonderfully wide MoreRide solid entry step. You'll see the power awning with LED lights. It's long and ready to keep you out of the elements, be it precipitation or the sun's rays. The front cap also has a set of LED lights, mostly for decor, but they can illuminate enough to help you hitch or unhitch at night. The power tongue jack certainly helps that cause as well. And you'll find every corner will have a power stabilizer jack. Just press the button, stay upright, and watch as the jack sets to help keep your Vibe steady. The Vibe does have great exterior storage, and the slam latch baggage doors make sure your camp gear doesn't take flight when you're on a curvy road. Every Vibe, even those that do not have an outdoor kitchen, will have a propane quick connect so you can attach your favorite grill or griddle. On the Vibe rear wall, you'll find backup camera prep so you can get a camera when you want it. You'll also find Lippert on-the-go rear ladder prep and a full-size spare tire. Okay, let's dive into construction. The Vibe's frame is a Norco huck-bolted steel frame. The roof is a walkable wood truss roof and has a PVC membrane with a lifetime warranty. The sidewalls are a performance gloss fiberglass and there's a gorgeous automotive painted front cap. Inside the walls, you'll get reliable block foam insulation. For more insulation, the undercarriage has an enclosed underbelly with 12-volt heating pads on the tanks. Okay, let's get into towing. The Vibe runs from 30 feet or so up to 40 feet. As such, they're slightly heavier. Since no one goes camping empty, let's talk gross weight. You'll find the Vibe line ranges from 8,000 to 11,000 in maximum gross weight. At that level, you may be able to use a large SUV like a Dodge Durango on the lighter models, but for the most part, you're talking a truck, notably a full-size truck. Great examples include a Chevy Silverado 1500 and Ford F-150. Not sure of your truck's towing capacity? You can check your owner's manual or simply stop into your local Camping World and speak to a representative to help you find it. And while you're there, it may be a good time to check out a Vibe in person. Happy RV shopping and happy camping.